Gavana Kathuri Mwangaza munini wa spika Mwenda Ali na mbundi ya wandikani Meru nekinyite mbere ya kamiti ya urumwe ya Seneti kwariria nkuchanio cha wandikani kaunti neu bubone nyuma ya Kathuri Mwangaza gutezaniria wandikani Meru buria bwatumirirwe ni mbundi akiuga gutina mbecha na kinya batorwa rutha. Mwenda Ali na ugite ni bathuririte mbecha cha wandikani nayo mbundi akiuga batumiririe twanya tu nyuma ya kuona Meru iri no batubwa tinguge bakithingataga watho na ndika mitieu nirombete mbundi eu na kinya Kathuri Mwangaza kugwatanira nikenda kuona uria akariba Meru bakandi kwa nguge untu Mwenda Ali augite butumbika ni untu batumba gukaranthi na ngavana weberetwe gitene. Boniface Mwongera ni agututariria nkuruki.
Na kuma mwambire mwanka muthirikire jo ikaro gya ntuko enarwa ikonekere kuna ntakoro nyingi orotero runze rokeria rukone bobe umene bobange ibo ba TTM.
When the center can't hold, things fall apart. So honorable chairperson
these are the people that are pushing the county public service board, and that's why we are here.
No, we are not going that direction.
You brought up issue.
We are not going that direction.
Kiba monabo baituri maruru na kudra baja tondokire okurukira biugo bangi nabo bakora maguta biugo bona ni amadhithio.
We have a sitting today. Why is he here?
Yes. I was invited.
This is a sitting like any other sitting. Why are you here?
Relax. Cool down.
Kiwe gavana wa Meru Bishop Faith Kathuri Mwangaza noendelea kugwatira murunga mojo wawe takurega Meru batikandikwa ukiria karu na mateta yuko hidrometra trita thingatirwe ni nyankoroki uti budgetirio ya kuandikana aidha nakum bunge kaunti Meru gukurukira munini hospitali Mwenda ibakararia na bugibekire budget arentagaro wingi Meru Public Service Board na ubendelea kugwatira murunga mojo wao kuandikana no mwanga ugeta na mbere no ntubota bakwandika ntuba beru abakojurira twanya.
We've tried as executive to narrow the gap. Up to now, we are at a deficit of over 18 million. And with the desire and even the power and even the need to employ, the big issue is about the budget.
Tawiro ntwa kuiria na bandikwa. Giano na mbiashe kwendeki baite fellowship. Na rete te akwa ya ritingwe barabo nde barabaina baite ibo bandiki ofisi neke. No as we speak. Kuina ritingwe ofisi na gavana 167. Most of them kana baba ngeke bo omete kanisene fellowshippers kana worshipers at baite fellowship. So wana Meru iba applying we na bakira.
There is no commentary by the control of budget which says that the board cannot recruit staff to offer critical and essential services.
Tijokerie kanyaga kaingia memba bakamiti batirona nala kwena meya na baba meneria andiko ba gavana Mwangaza no tubakudra be mwadha na komwere kithiria gavana bodhoku
Uploaded by Dave. Can you listen to us, please? We are dealing with facts here as a committee. Don't take us that direction. We are talking about the factuals, what is there, what is working right now. Is a budget that has been approved by the Assembly and it has been uploaded in the IFMIS, and that is what is working right now, which has informed the Public Service Board in terms of service delivery or whatever the service that they are supposed to do. So you cannot, unless, that is why I asked that question, was there a memo that was done by the executive to the Assembly that they are not in agreement with the approved budget?
The issue of employment has brought me to Senate and I will be impeached for the same.
Thank you.
That's why we are here. We need your guidance, we need your help.
Na kenda kushwira ntaira ntetu ici interation thici borererie na bona ukwe no batu bokaranthe uguru na kurekania na gwithia Meru na mbere.
And this need is there seriously. But there are measures that we as the executive and also the County Public Service Board, we are supposed, maybe to my opinion, to sit and discuss our way forward. We need to ensure that the critical services, essential services, are being replaced or they are going on well. Then we look for ways of either raising the revenue or closing the gaps where the money is disappearing from.
Bobo bwa kenda bweko bwekinyira mushemane jo kinyira mothia ameba kamitiji baire na gavana Mwangaza na bakozirani yawe bashoka baire bana Meru County Public Service Board na kulingana kanyoni mtweto orotigire okire kwire bagoko na twerere ojuni kwere bwa mbere shughuli wandika ndene county ya Meru kethero gitana mbere ende no Mwanka gavana Mwangaza na board bambe bakalende goro bwajaire ibagire buruburu pere yanwe mbere kamitiji itonyera kaire na wakinyira tariki mugwanja thainyanya rutero gavana kaira Mwangaza na rutero bondi wandika ndene county Meru bakethro beithe mushemanio na kuthiria mpatho ende bare ya kurekania gwe tariki 13 muri jojo ire kamiti ya bunge Seneti kethro ikine rutero Meru kenda babathethere kuthiria nke reporter Ntoshoro TV kumaje karone bya bunge kengina ngine kine ke musho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.